Hi, I'm Samir Tendulkar, the founder of Khal.com. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of awesome videos on Khal.com, a lot of awesome written recipes. And if you ever wondered how to add your recipe to Khal.com, let me show you how. So the first thing that you have to do is go to Khal.com. That's Khal, Khal.com. Now once you go to Khal.com, you'll see a green button on the top that says add recipes. Click on that button. Now once you click on add recipes, it'll ask you to sign up or log in. If you already have an account, all you have to do is put your username, password and click login. So if you don't have an account on Khal.com, you can create an account. All you'll need is your name, email address and password, or you can log in with your Facebook or Google. So if this is your first time signing in, you'll go to your profile page and it will ask you a bunch of questions in which the country and the zip code are two required fields and the rest are optional. However, I suggest that you add your profile picture so when you add your recipes, people know that it's you. On Khal.com, we emphasize on authenticity. So unless you can prove that the recipe that is there is yours, people can flag your recipes. So in order to add your recipes, your profile picture must match the person in the video or in the photos. So once you're done with the sign up, you can again go to the home page and click on add recipes. So this time when you click on add recipes, it will show you a form. Now you have two options. Either you add pictures of your recipe or you add the video that you made of your recipe. Now let's talk about how to add your cooking video. Adding your cooking video is the most simplest thing on Khal. All you have to do is click on this blue button that says video. Once you click on the video, your form will change. Now if you choose to add your cooking video, it's important that you have that cooking video on YouTube first. After that, all you have to do is just take the link and paste it on the YouTube URL and choose the group. The moment you do that, it will automatically fill the title that was there on the YouTube video. It will automatically fill the description. If you already have the recipe typed on YouTube, you don't have to type it again. It will automatically take the recipe from the YouTube. It will take the title from YouTube and the video, and it will also take the thumbnail. Now, if you wish to change the thumbnail, you can do that. You can change the title, you can change the description. Anything that you want to change, you can change. And after you're done, just hit submit and that's it. Your cooking video is uploaded. Now adding your cooking photos is just as simple. You just choose the group to which your recipe belongs, write the title, write a brief description and add 3 photos. The main photo and 2 proof images. One with you making the dish and one with the completed dish. And that's it. Your recipe is on Khal.com. Now you can share it with your friends, family and all the other people who follow you. Or you can gain new followers on Khal.com. So if there's anything that you did not understand, ask me in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help you. Until the next time, take care.